Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a come shopping with me, except I'm not shopping for myself. I'm shopping for you guys ish. I wanted to step out of the house, step out of my beauty room, and take you guys along with me to Burlington because I was there during the weekend and I saw how many amazing gift sets they have for the holidays. And I know people are starting to shop early, and I figured, you know what, I'm going to show you guys some stuff that I saw that I think is amazing for gifting to your loved ones. These are products that are beauty related, so like a little bit of not skincare, but just like makeup and things like that, and the deals are amazing. So if you guys have a local Burlington where you live, definitely check it out because their prices are unbeatable. Like compared to Ross, TJ Maxx, Burlington takes the cake. So I'm gonna bring you guys shopping with me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, then make sure you subscribe to my channel because I post a lot of content here. Clip's behind the camera. And I do post 3 times a week currently, so make sure you're subscribed so you never miss any of my videos. And let me know if you guys are starting your shopping early. I am the worst and I never start shopping early. I'm always last minute. But anyways, that is that. Make sure you grab your cafecito, grab an iced coffee so you can come shopping with me, and let's go ahead and look at some gift sets from Burlington. Oh wow, okay, so immediately I saw this LED mirror, but it's also a beauty fridge, so it holds up to 8 liters of products, and I thought it was really cool that it comes with a mirror. It's white, as you can see. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I've been wanting a little fridge in my bathroom, but I just haven't found the one, and let's see how much this one's. So this one is priced for $49.99, which I think is an amazing price for a LED mirror and a fridge. It has 4 light settings and it's really cute. So if you or anybody has been looking for a fridge to keep your skincare products for $50 at Burlington, you cannot go wrong. It's cute, and again, the best part is it has a mirror in front of it, so you can just take out your products, do your skincare, and you are set. Oh my gosh, this is such a great find. If you're looking for skincare products, I think this is going to be your best bet. These gift sets are actually really good. I've gotten some from this brand before, and well, not this brand, but from like Burlington, and they actually haven't disappointed me so far. As you can see, it comes with this little jade roller, and then with a gua sha, I believe that's how you pronounce it, and it also comes with this facial cleansing brush, and it comes with a headband. They have different colors, so they have this one with like the leopard one, they have a rose gold, and then this one that I just showed you guys, and these are retailing for $16.99. So for under $20, you're getting a whole spa experience at home. They also have these facial steamers. These are amazing. Again, if you're just really wanting to gift something to like your girlfriend, your sister, and if you're really into like skincare and just pampering themselves, honestly, this is perfect. These are really nice. They just help with like cleansing the skin and stuff like that. So they have different facial steamers that you can choose from. I would just kind of pick what you like and then just like go from there. But yeah, they do have quite a few to choose from. You guys, this is where it's at, okay? So they have currently 2 LED mirror sets. This one is called the Hollywood LED Mirror Touch Button 3 color lights. So this is a large rectangular. It is LED, it is battery operated, and it also comes with a USB cable. This one is retailing for $49.99, just under, well, $50, but wow, amazing deal. And as you can see, it has a touch button, so you can turn it on, and then it has its own little stand, so you can just set it on the vanity or wherever. And I don't know if I said, yeah, that's $50. This one is a 9 LED Hollywood lights. It has dimmable brightness, has the touch sensor switch, and then you can actually rotate this one. And this one as well is $50. I'm not sure why they have the same price. This one seems to be a little bit bigger, so it just depends on what you're looking for to gift. But both of these are amazing. Like, what? You guys need to hurry and go to Burlington if you're wanting to get something for yourself or for somebody else. These are a must. If you're looking for stocking stuffers, these would make great additions to that. They have tons of mascaras from like Maybelline. They have from this brand BB, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. They have LA colors, they have eyelash curlers, they have little brush sets. So they do have a ton of things that you can just add as stocking stuffers if you wanted to do that. And then on this other side, they have a bunch of eyelashes. If you know anybody that loves wearing lashes, they have tons of these. Let me show you guys the ones that I have found that I was like, oh my gosh, these are amazing. So Ioni is actually a brand that you can find sometimes at Dollar Tree, and these are really nice. These are faux mink, so they're not going to be real mink, but they are faux mink. And as you can see, they are pretty. You're getting what, 8 pairs. The lash glue is included. If you know anybody that loves lashes, like, what a perfect gift. This is the mother of lashes. Look at that, you guys. Again, from the same brand, Bebe. And it comes with a lash glue, tweezers. They have natural, full-length wispies. And then you can even write the name to da-da-da-da-da. And these are also faux mink. How cool is this? These are huge, you guys. 13 pairs. And this one retails for $14.99. Now that is a steal. Again, with the mirrors, if you're wanting something maybe a little bit smaller, they do have these that just sit a tiny bit shorter on your table, and it says this is the actual size. So these are pretty small. These are only $8, but again, these are amazing for like giving to anybody. They make amazing gifts. Like anybody that does your makeup or anything really, I think would really appreciate these. And they also have these if you want something a little bit different, but I think these are just so cute. Over here they have a ton of brushes. Honestly, these kind of reminded me of the Morphe like collection that they launched a few years ago. These look pretty nice. It's a 6-piece set for $4.99. And if you want to give something huge, look at this. This is humongous. This is again from that same brand, and it's a 23-piece brush set, and this one retails for $25, which is not bad. You get pretty much every eye brush that you can think of, and honestly, the quality looks really good. Like, this is perfect for foundation, bronzer, highlighter, or yeah, highlighter, but these just look so good, you guys. Like, I would love to be gifted this. I would be so happy. This is also an amazing brush set. You get tons of face brushes and tons of eye brushes, and you even get a little brush set, 2 sponges, Oh my gosh, and the packaging here is so cute. This one is for $24.99. So again, amazing. Foundation, powder, setting, bronzer, angled brush, blush, contour, highlights, fan brush. I low-key want this. Like, I really do want this. These are so cute. And gold. So they have these buxom party lip kits. So these actually retail for $39, but here you get them for only $19.99, and it comes with beautiful shades. I wish you guys could see them, but it's hard because of the packaging and it's so reflective. But wow, what an amazing find. If you can get this, definitely grab it. Going back to that whole foot spa thing, again, these are like the type of things that you can add into like a gift basket if you just want to do a whole self-care gift. These are perfect just to really take care of oneself. This, you can just add that. They have these as well. They have this flawless little hair removal system. I actually love this brand. It's really, really good. Or you can just get them a whole set and call it a day.